You will need 2 strips of KT tape for this application. This application will be applied over clothing for demonstration purposes only. You will be applying the tape directly to your skin. Begin preparing a strip of KT tape by tearing the backing of the tape in its center. While standing, flex forward at the waist, putting a slight stretch on your low back. Being careful not to touch the adhesive, hold the ends of the tape between your fingers and thumb behind your back. Holding horizontally, apply an even, moderate stretch to the tape and adhere this strip directly below the site of pain, being sure not to stretch the ends as you lay them down. Gently rub the strip for improved adhesion. Repeat with the second strip parallel to the first, directly above the site of pain. Rub the application for improved adhesion. Find all our products and videos at kttape.com.